My vlogs that don't have a voiceover always flop. I'm giving the algorithm a real sound vlog whether it likes it or not today. A little something to take off the edge. Ain't you pretty? Why is this so hot? I'm kind of winging dinner. I'm gonna do like a shredded chicken, crispy baked taco type of thing. I don't know if it's gonna turn out. Why did you hit Ava? Don't let Goose in. I feel like everybody knows this hack, but in case you didn't. What happened, baby? Why is shredding cheese such an inconvenience? I really never know how many jalapenos to put in.